So today I'm going to show you one of my favorite tricks with my assistant here, my assistant. One of the things that happens is bearings, they don't slide on and I have to either bang them on or press it on. Here's the front bearing.
And break.
Yeah, and we could break it, that's right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take the bearings off. Alright. And we're going to put them in an oven. Now that they're all wrapped in tin foil, this is my secret weapon here. I'm gonna take this. It's always set at about, let's find 375, 400 is a good temperature. Put on for about 50 minutes. And now I'm gonna go have lunch. Okay, so I just took this out. And voila, just slides on. That's the front one. There you go with the front one. Voila, installed.